I wish I could change my name, start again. Leave behind the shadows of who I've been. Oh, fly me to a lonely place where I can disappear, where you'll never see my face. I'll finally be clear. None of us dreamers lost in the crowd, searching for something that can't be found. Invisible stranger, full of pain. I wish I could change my name, start again. And every time I hear my name, it just don't feel right. I'm stuck in this identity, I wanna take flight. I'm tired of being labeled, boxed up in a frame. I wish I could be someone else and take on a new name. I wanna be someone with fresh beginning, with no shame. In a sea of faces, I'm a silent dreamer, lost in the crowd, searching for that spark. Invisible stranger, carrying a heavy pain, wishing I could shed my skin, make a brand new start. I wish I could change